Hello, my dear friends. As you know, this is LHE plant. We got LHE seeds from this. For the cultivation of LHE plants, I am already used the Utkarsh product such as F+, Femi Gold, Florigen, Combi2, calcium plus boron combination already used for this cultivation. We got an excellent result from by the use of these products. Okay, thank you.